Welcome back to Think Fast. Can you pass this human body quiz? Let's get started with 60 exciting questions about the human body. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Think Fast for more fun and brain-boosting quizzes every week. Let's go. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer C. Skin. How many bones are in the adult human body? Answer A. 206. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Answer C. Heart. Where is the femur bone located? Answer B. Leg. Which part of the brain controls balance? Answer B. Cerebellum. What is the main function of red blood cells? Answer C. Carry oxygen. Which system controls body movements? Answer D. Nervous. What organ helps to filter blood? Answer D. Kidney. How many chambers does the human heart have? Answer C. 4. What is the main function of white blood cells? Answer B. Fight infection. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer C. Stapes. What muscle helps in breathing? Answer B. Diaphragm. Which is the longest bone in the body? Answer C. Femur. What is the function of the lungs? Answer B. Breathe. How many ribs does the human body have? Answer B. 24. What does the liver produce to help digestion? Answer B. Bile. What part of the body contains alveoli? Answer C. Lungs. Which organ produces insulin? Answer D. Pancreas. Where is the pituitary gland located? Answer B. Brain. What is the function of the stomach? Answer C. Digest food. Which part of the body has the most sweat glands? Answer C. Feet. Which type of joint is found in the shoulder? Answer C. Ball and socket. What type of blood cells help in clotting? Answer D. Platelets. What is the name of the lower jawbone? Answer B. Mandible. Which body part contains the retina? Answer B. Eye. How many kidneys does a healthy person have? Answer B. 2. What is the function of the large intestine? Answer A. Absorb water. What is the average body temperature in Celsius? Answer B. 37 degrees Celsius. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? Answer C. Medulla. Which bone protects the brain? Answer B. Skull. What is the function of the pancreas? Answer C. Produce insulin. Which organ helps to remove waste through urine? Answer C. Kidney. What is the largest internal organ? Answer B. Liver. What does the thyroid gland control? Answer C. Growth and metabolism. Which blood type is the universal donor? Answer D. O. What is the main function of the small intestine? Answer B. Absorb nutrients. Which bone connects the arm to the body? Answer B. Clavicle. What part of the body does the humerus bone belong to? Answer B. Arm. What is the main function of the nervous system? Answer B. Send signals. What is the structural unit of the kidney? Answer B. Nephron. What is the name of the colored part of the eye? Answer C. Iris. Which muscle is found only in the heart? Answer C. Cardiac. What part of the brain controls thinking? Answer C. Cerebrum. What is the function of saliva? Answer C. Digest starch. What type of muscle is in the digestive system? Answer A. Smooth. What bone forms the forehead? Answer C. Frontal. What connects bones to muscles? Answer B. Tendons. What is the function of hair? Answer B. Regulate body temperature. What is the voice box called? Answer C. Larynx. What is the scientific name for the thigh bone? Answer C. Femur. Which part of the body controls reflexes? Answer A. Spinal cord. Which part of the ear helps with balance? Answer C. Semicircular canals. How many vertebrae are in the human spine? Answer C. 33. What is the function of the spleen? Answer C. Filter blood. Which part of the body has the most bones? Answer B. Foot. What is the function of the cornea? Answer B. C. What protects the lungs? Answer A. Ribs. Which part of the body contains the phalanges? Answer A. Fingers. What are the teeth made of? Answer C. Enamel. What is the function of enzymes in digestion? Answer B. Speed up reactions. Thanks for watching the video.